So in this video, I want to sketch y equals cosine of x. So, the good thing about cosine of x is that it is just a translation of the sine curve. So in other words, if you know what the sine curve looks like, then it won't take much to know what the cosine curve looks like. So, it is a horizontal translation of the sine curve. The sine curve had a maximum value of 1 and a minimum value of -1. So cosine has a maximum value of 1 and a minimum value of -1, exactly the same, because it's just this curve translated along parallel to the x-axis. Okay? So, the only difference is that this one doesn't go through the origin. This goes through 1 on the y-axis. So, it goes through 1 on the y-axis, decreases down through the x-axis to its lowest point at -1, then back up to 1, and then it's going to go back down to -1, and then back up to 1, and so on and so forth. In this direction, it's at its maximum point there, so it's going to come back down to its minimum point, then back up to its maximum point, and then back down to its minimum point again. So, maximum value at 1, minimum value at -1. Okay, so all these points are -1. And it repeats itself forever and ever and ever. So, if you trace out this curve here, once you get back up to this point, the curve starts repeating itself again. So this distance is 360 degrees, just like it was for the sine curve. So this is halfway between 0 and 360, so that's 180. This is halfway between 0 and 180, so that's 90. That is halfway between 180 and 360, so that's 270. So this curve is symmetrical about the y-axis. So that means that that is -90. This is -180. This is -270. That's -360. And so this is what the cosine curve looks like.